Good morning, students. Welcome back. In this class, I am going to teach you how to write a simple Java program. Now, we can see how to print a hello world using Java programming language. Now, we can write a program here. First, I am going to write a program. Next, I am going to explain each and every word of the program. First, we can start from the class declaration with the class. Class name is welcome, opening braces, main statement, that is public static void main. In this, I am going to print a, or I am going to pass a string args. Next, here we can write system dot out dot println to display a hello world in our console. Closing bracket for the main method, closing bracket for the class declaration. This is the simple program to display a hello world in a console. Now, we can see what is class. Class is a keyword. Class is a keyword. Welcome is a class name of the program. Class is a keyword here. Welcome is a class name. And this program going to save with the welcome dot java. We can save every Java program with the dot extension dot java. The file name and the class name both are going to be same, or class name and file name both are matched. Whichever you use the class name, that is only file name in every Java program. Next, public. Public is a access modifier. JVM access public from outside the class. The public is the access modifier. JVM access the public from the outside the class. Then static. Static is a keyword. It is used to, the static method is used, the static called without any object in our program. Actually, every Java program consists object to call a methods. Here, static called without any object in our program. Then next is void. Void is nothing. Void is nothing. No value or no return type. Then next is main. Every Java program execution starts from main method only, execution of the program. The main method start execution of the program. Then string args. String args are the command lines. Command line arguments. These are the command line arguments. What are the command line arguments? We can discuss in further classes. Next, opening braces for the main method. Next, we write the system.out.println. It is the output line. We call it as output line. With help of this statement, we are going to print a statement in our console. System is a class name which is present in java.lang package. System is a class name which is present in java.lang present. Here, then next is out. Out is a static variable of type print string. Out is a static variable of print string which is present in system class. Out is a static variable of type print string which is present in a system class. Then println. Println is a method is used to print any statement in our console. This is a hello world which we are going to print in console. This is a closing bracket for the main method. This is the closing bracket for the class. I hope you all understand this simple Java programming. Now we can see how we can save this program with the java.java file. The class name and the file name must be same in our Java programming. And before going to execute this program, we are going to install a JDK with a new version in our system. Then we are going to set a path in our system. Next we are going to start execution. Execution of the program is start with the java c file name dot java. Then this java c compiles the welcome.java file. Next the welcome.java class file or a bytecode file can be obtained. Then next we are going to print java welcome. Then our program will be executed and printed hello world in our console. First we can going to install a JDK with a new version. Next we are going to set a path Then we are going to start a execution. The execution of the program start with Java C, filename.java. Java C is help to compile a Java file. Then it produce the class file, that is welcome.class. Next we are going to execute the program with the Java welcome. Then the hello world will be printed in our console. This is a simple Java program to display hello world. In next class we are going to discuss further programs. Thank you.